न खबरों के आगे न खबरों के पीछे, हम रहेंगे खबरों के साथ। खबरें चलेंगी साथ साथ। न्यूज़ 20 आपकी खबर आपके साथ।
नमस्कार, न्यूज 20 के लिए रांची से अवधेश। आज की खबर, जाने माने अधिवक्ता सुभाष कुमार मिश्रा ने आरडीबीए चुनाव 2021-23 के शुभ अवसर पर समस्त आरडीबीए सदस्य अधिवक्ताओं को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देते हुए मंगल कामना संदेश दिया है। सुनिए अधिवक्ता सुभाष कुमार मिश्रा ने आरडीबीए चुनाव पर क्या कहा।
Good evening. This is Subhash Kumar Mishra, advocate. I have just come to know from the News 2020, which is being run, or the print media, Satwan Sach, Editor-in-Chief Mr. Avdesh. Thanks to him because through his YouTube channel and newspaper I have come to know about the upcoming election. Now the date has been announced, as I have seen the YouTube of News 2020. Thanks to Mr. Avdesh, who seems to have been giving his time diligently to the election of the RDBA. It should be fair. Well, I'm not keeping good health, and since the day of lockdown in 2020, I have never paid a visit to civil court. Whenever I get fit, I started doing all the cases through online, but still I need to be treated a lot because there are so many health issues are coming out. But even then, I may be there, I may not be there, I am not very much sure about it. But my well wishes to all my senior brothers, my junior brothers, sisters, and all colleagues who have decided to take part in the election of 21-23 as a candidate, either for the post of office bearer or the member of executive committee. I wish them all the success in every walks of their life. But I humbly request you all that come together and contest this election very friendly, showing your sporting view. There should not be any kind of misunderstanding or quarrel. Rather, you should always express your love and affection against each other. See, the RDBA is the capital, situated at capital of the Jharkhand state, and all the bars in Jharkhand state, including our High Court, Advocate Association, give respect to RDBA because all the office bearers who have been elected from time to time, they did their job very honestly for the welfare of Ranchi District Bar Association, and we are proud to be a part of RDBA. Likewise, I would always expect from all my senior brother and sister colleagues or junior brother and sister colleagues that they will contest this election very friendly, and the voters are also requested to make sure that a good committee should come to resolve their issue. This is not the time, because Corona has taught a lot of us. So this is not the time when you put your grievance against anyone. It is not a question of any individual personality. Whoever is elected for any post, whether the office bearer or the executive committee of RDBA, the entire election process should be taken as a festival, and you all should join it. But before that, I must request you all that the guidelines of COVID-19 be strictly followed, so that none of the learned member of the bar should face any kind of issue of COVID-19. I hope that you all will consider the guidelines issued by the state government and the election committee of the RDBA. Enjoy this festival 21-23 RDBA election. My good wishes with all the persons, the members who are going to contest this election. But I am just reiterating it, that take it very friendly, very sportingly, and take part in this election. And you all are requested, irrespective of the fact that whether one wins or another lose, it doesn't matter. Once you have decided to take part in the election for raising issues for the welfare of the learned advocates of the RDBA, please be positive, take part in the election with a very positive attitude, and there should be a common agenda of all the members contesting for office bearers or the executive committee, that they have to come forward for welfare of the RDBA. Thank you. So nice of you. Thank you very much.